Here's a quick step-by-step guide to remove extensions from Google Chrome on desktop and mobile. Open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right, click the three dots. From the menu, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. This page shows every extension installed in your browser. To remove one, simply find the extension you don't want anymore and click Remove. Confirm by tapping Remove again. If you don't want to delete it completely, you can temporarily disable it by toggling the switch under the extension. Repeat these steps for any extensions you want to uninstall. If you see the extension icon in your toolbar, you can remove it even faster. Right-click the extension icon and choose Remove from Chrome. Confirm the removal, and Chrome will uninstall it instantly. This works for most extensions, including ad blockers, password managers, and AI tools. Chrome on iPhone does not support extensions, so there's nothing to remove. On Android, only a few devices support extensions, such as Kiwi Browser or Firefox for Android. If you installed extensions through one of these browsers, open the browser, tap the three dots, go to Extensions, and tap Remove next to the extension. Chrome's official Android app does not allow extensions at this time, and that's how to remove extensions from Chrome on any device.